Hello everyone, I'm Gaurav Kumar and today my topic for presentation is corporate social responsibility in Italy. What is CSR? Corporate social responsibility is a self-regulating business model that helps a company be socially accountable to itself, its stakeholders and the public. By practicing corporate social responsibility, also called corporate citizenship, companies can be conscious of the kind of impact they are having on all aspects of society including economic, social and environmental. These are some corporate social responsibility benefits. There are four types of corporate responsibility. First is environmental efforts. One primary focus of CSR is the environment. Businesses, regardless of size, have large carbon footprints. Any steps a company can take to reduce its footprint is considered good for both the company and society. Second, philanthropy. Businesses can practice social responsibility by donating money, products, or services to social causes and non-profits. Larger companies tend to have plentiful resources that can benefit charities and local community programs. However, as a small business, your effort can make a big difference. Third one is ethical labor practices. By treating employees fairly and ethically, companies can demonstrate CSR. This is especially true of businesses that operate in international locations with labor laws that differ from those in United States. And the fourth one is volunteering. Participating in local causes or volunteering your time and your staff's time in community events says a lot about a company's sincerity. By doing good deeds without expecting anything in return, companies can express their own concern and support for specific issues and social causes. CSR in Italy. In Italy, social audit, the basic instrument of CSR, unlike in other European countries, is still a voluntary choice and not a legal obligation. Social audit is a public document drafted periodically and addressed to a social interlocutors who directly or indirectly are involved in activities of the company. Therefore, the recipients of social audit are all stakeholders and the community at large. Information on social outcomes helps create and spread a certain reputation of the company that is able to encourage dialogue with all the stakeholders. This term refers to an individual or a community or an organization that directly or indirectly influences the operations of the company or suffers its repercussions. Stakeholders are therefore all those who have an interest in the activity of the company, which allows a better functioning of it. As a matter of fact, the company is part of a network of interactions, relationships, exchange with multiple social interlocutors capable of influencing in a positive or negative way the destiny of the company. In 2017, 1.412 billion euros of investments were made in CSR projects in Italy, up 25% on the previous year. The number of companies lending their attention to their own CSR has doubled from 44% in 2001 to 85% in 2017. The average spend on investment in 2017 per Italian company was more than 2 lakh euros, 2 lakh 9,000 to be precise, which is an increase of 18.7% on the 2015 figures of just 1 lakh 76,000 euros per company. The spending projections per company in 2018 go up to 2 lakh 67,000 euros, a 27.8% increase. CSR has become an essential value for companies involving staff, caring for the environment, fighting waste, optimizing energy consumption, and recycling are all areas into which companies claim they are pouring more effort. 35% of companies say they want to contribute to sustainable development, 32% want to fulfill responsibilities towards future generations, and 29% want to improve their relationship with local communities. Commercial objects are considered less important, with just 21% using CSR policies to attract new clients. Need of corporate social responsibility to reduce the social cost, to enhance the performance of employees. It's a type of investment. It leads to industrial peace. It improves the public image, can generate more profit, to provide moral justification. It satisfies the stakeholders and it also helps to avoid government regulations and control. Thank you.